Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm testing the RADDY radio here. This is the RF, I forgot the number already. Oh God, 886. And I've done a couple reviews. I just did a scan using its built-in antenna of the shortwave band. And now, let me turn the volume down here. And now I just completed a scan of the shortwave band with my Megaloop outside antenna clipped to this telescopic antenna. So we're going to see what we got. Here we go. Okay, noise there. Let me turn the volume up a little more. Noise. 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 Picked up a lot of noise. Whoa. I think that's Okeechobee. I think that's Tennessee. Coming and going. It's 7 o'clock in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. Now there's a station I didn't get with the built-in antenna. 5.885, it's probably a little higher than that. Yeah, 5.89. That sounds like the station out of Tennessee. It's another one, I'm not sure what it is. Oh, that's loud and clear. That's out of Okeechobee. Yeah, nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Loud and clear. Okeechobee. There's a weak one. Probably out of Tennessee. You can look these up later. Nothing, nothing. Yeah. Oh. So it's doing a great job using the external antenna. There's WWV, 10 megahertz. Very weak, but it's there. Using the external antenna. There's data. Pretty strong. Probably weather data. Another station? The station very weak. Another one? I don't hear anything there. That sounds like WWV. Yeah, there it is. So I got WWV on 2 frequencies. Another station, very weak. Yeah, nothing. Okay, that's it. So I got quite a few stations, but I was using the external antenna, my Megaloop with a clip-on, so it's connected to the center conductor of the Megaloop. Probably not best case. And of course, reception on shortwave varies all the time. So what I received 15 minutes ago might be totally different than what I receive now. Same way with this radio, where I tested it a half hour ago, conditions could have been totally different. So keep that in mind. This radio though has a lot going for it. It's got the multiple bands, AM, FM, shortwave, VHF, and weather band. It's got NOAA with alerts. It's digital display. It does not have a keypad. That would make it much larger. There's NOAA, and that's not particularly one that I can receive. No, I don't have built-in antenna extended. And it's only $26 normal. And this is from RADDY. And so as far as having something that, number one, it's an emergency radio because it's got no band. Number two, it has VHF. I think it was 30 megahertz to 200, so you can receive the air band. Built-in antenna, that's, to me, that's kind of a negative. I would like to have both built-in and external, or not external, but batteries you can add. This one has batteries you add. It's analog. It's $15, approximately $15, so it's $10 cheaper. Nice size radio. It's got a kickstand, and it does work well on AM and FM. Shortwave, no, you won't be able to use it on shortwave. So that's my conclusion on these two radios. If you have any questions about these radios or other ones I've reviewed, if you have a particular test you want me to do on radios I've reviewed and I didn't do a test, just let me know. I'll try my best to do that. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.